Hello everyone, welcome back to the Future Internet Cafe. If you are new here, welcome. We post a new video every week and we help people access online services. My name is Catherine and I'll be your guide through this video. In today's video, we are going to look at how to renew your smart driving license. So head over to your web browser, whether Chrome, Firefox, Edge or whatever you are using. Search for eCitizen.go.ke. Open the eCitizen website as you can see on your screen. Click on sign in. Upon clicking the sign in button, please enter your ID number and password and click on sign in. Once you're signed in, it will ask you where to send a one-time password, OTP, also known as OTP. You can either choose your email or your phone number depending on what you have access to. For the purpose of this tutorial, we used the phone number. Once you receive the OTP either on your email or your phone number, please input it on the enter OTP and click on next. It's going to open your eCitizen account. Confirm that the details are yours before you continue to update to renew your driving license. Once you confirm that the account is yours, the details are correct, scroll down and head over to NTSA, National Transport and Safety Authority, new. Please note that there are two of them. There's the old one and the new one. Click on the new one. Again, if the details are correct, click on continue. It's going to open your NTSA portal. It will show you things like your driving experience, your driving points, and whether your driving license has expired or is valid. So click on renew under driving license, click on renew. So once you click on renew, the renew smart driving license page will open. It has the general information. Take a look at it and confirm that the general information is yours. Fill in your place of birth and your blood group if you know. If you don't know your blood group, just put unknown. Also, put in your country of residence, your county of residence, your physical address, and also the collection center where you want to collect your smart driving license. You can either choose NTSA head office or any of their offices or any Huduma center close to you. Once you are done, click on renew. Next is payment. The smart driving license is you are going to pay a total of 3,050 Kenyan shillings. So choose your payment mode. For this purpose, we use NTSA. So make your payment as directed. If you're paying with M-Pesa, you can use M-Pesa Pay Bill, or you can click here to receive their M-Pesa menu. This means that they're going to send a prompt to your phone, and all you have to do is put M-Pesa PIN and the money will be paid automatically. So once you're done, click on complete at the bottom of your screen. Congratulations, you have successfully renewed your smart driving license. So download your receipt and put it in a safe place. So if you want to check the status of your smart driving license renewal, just head over to application history and you'll see what status your driving license is in. In this case, the stage is processing. So once it's ready for collection, you'll be notified via SMS, so you can just log into eCitizen and check. So if this video helped you, give it a like, leave a comment, or you can share with a friend. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.